Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater. Today we've got a box from Taiwan, and it's from a company called Fu Chung. Let's take a look. Alright, so this so does not fit under here. First thing we find in the box is our old friend, bubble wrap. Bubble wrap, a great way to send things. Next, we've got something that feels like a bowl. I know these guys emailed me a long time ago. At least it seems like it. I'm guessing there's going to be noodles in here, and they wanted to do a Meet the Manufacturer series. I'm not sure, so we'll figure that out. They definitely, when I'll tell companies that if they're going to send something, make sure to pack it really well, because travel can be really hard on noodles and on anything breakable, especially going that far. And if you see how the baggage handlers handle stuff, you can guess that it can be kind of really extra rough. Almost there, folks, almost there. And I would just want to say, if whatever is in this is broken, it is not the shipper's fault. Oh, cool. Well, here's a very nice bowl. I like that. Very heavy, too. It's quality. Thank you. That's very nice. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. These look to be jars of things. Fancy looking. Definitely. That's cool. I'm guessing these are going to go with the noodles. And here's another one, and you can tell it's different. It's got a different barcode number on it. So this is definitely a different product. And yet another one of these jars. And finally, one last jar. So I was looking at this on this last one, and I noticed this one is garlic and chili sauce. This one is spicy chili sauce. This one is minced pork sauce with scallion. Ooh, boy. And this one is mushroom sauce. So nice little quartet of sauces. Oh, very cool. Here's some beef jerky and more beef jerky. But they're both spicy. And finally, we come to the noodles. Basil and clam flavor, garlic and sesame flavor, spicy Szechuan with vinegar flavor. Wow, thank you very much to everybody at Fu Chung for sending this along. Really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm going to be reviewing these pretty soon, so you'll be able to check those out, not only on the posts on the website, but as well as on YouTube in Instant Noodle Recipe Time. So I'm gonna have a little bit of beef jerky, and have a good one. Bye.